There's a moment every man faces, usually alone, when he looks in the mirror and quietly asks himself, why don't women choose me? Not out loud, not to anyone else, but deep inside. Here's the part nobody tells you. Women don't pull away because you're not good enough. They pull away because of one psychological mistake men repeat every day without even knowing it. And trust me, if you don't understand this mistake, you could spend your whole life wondering why women keep losing interest. So listen closely, because I'm going to reveal it. But not yet, because before I name it, you need to see how it destroys attraction from the inside. Every guy has done this. You meet a woman, and suddenly your whole energy changes. Your posture becomes smaller. Your voice becomes softer. You start thinking, what should I say so she likes me? And without realizing it, you stop being yourself and start performing. That tiny switch, just a few seconds long, is enough to kill her attraction instantly. Here's the psychology. When you try to impress a woman, your brain goes into please like me mode, and women can feel this immediately. They are extremely sensitive to it, because approval-seeking energy feels weak, insecure, and unsure, similar to someone who is trying to sell a product he doesn't even trust himself. Studies show women decide if a man is attractive in the first 7 seconds, based on one thing. Is he real, or is he performing? If you're performing, you've lost before the conversation even starts. Here's the twist. Men think women reject them because of looks. Wrong. Women lose interest because you disappear the moment she appears. And that's the real mistake. You stop being yourself the second she enters the room. That's the invisible killer. Women aren't rejecting you. They're rejecting the nervous, overthinking, edited version of you. And here's the truth. A woman can never feel desire for a man who abandons himself. She might talk to you, she might be polite, she might even enjoy the conversation, but she won't feel that deep attraction unless you stay rooted in who you are. So here's your challenge. Next time you talk to a woman, don't try to be charming. Don't shrink your personality. Don't act soft or extra nice because you want her to like you. Do this instead. Stay exactly the way you were 10 seconds before she arrived. Same tone, same confidence, same posture, same presence. If she jokes, laugh naturally. If she asks a question, answer simply. If there's silence, don't panic. Let it exist. Because women fall for presence, not performance. Before we end, remember one line, and I want you to comment it below so it becomes a part of you. If I lose myself, I lose her anyway. Say it, write it, live it. Because the day you stop performing is the day women finally start noticing you. Do subscribe for more such videos, and also please share your thoughts in the comments.